Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness the demo of the working screen along with the keypad providing real-time input. This way the user can type out their message and review it before submitting it for the hearing deaf person to understand. So although these are still numbers and these letters as they were shipped, we plan to provide an overlay so you can actually know the letters that you're about to type. So for example, there's a T. Yep, so I want a U. Yep. And notice how it's real time. I'm going to hit the button. Boom. And then keep hitting buttons. Ooh, I have a space key over here, such that I can keep typing my message. But I don't want to, I want to backspace a little bit. Luckily I have this backspace key here. Very exciting.